All right, so welcome again to Military Going TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. And we're going to discuss the Reggae Girlz. Now, the CONCACAF Women Championship drawn has now completed and the results are out. How do I feel about it? I feel cheated. I'm being honest. I feel cheated. Something is wrong. I feel as if the system is rigged. That's just how I feel. Tell me how you feel about the situation. But before we do that, before we get into the details of anything and how and what we can do to fix our situation, guys, smash that like button and also hit that subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Now, when I saw the draw, any one of us who was watching, I was doing a live draw. Actually, I was doing a live whilst the draw was going on because I was just like, a bit of entertainment and discussing some of the aspects of what can happen, what could happen, and what's going to happen. And the moment I saw the first spot, I'm like, something strange about this spot. Canada, USA. Yes, USA number one. Then Canada, second highest. Then now it filtered down. Now I was like, how do you situate this group now, or these two groups, to make it as competitive as possible? By one thing only, that's even distribution. You distribute all the teams as even as possible. Now, many would say that it's a draw, so how are they going to distribute it evenly? I don't know. Just the same as how they can get all the top teams in one group, possibly. But anyways, so this here is the pot. I'm going to show you guys what the pot comprised of. As pot one, you can see you have the United States and Canada in pot one. Those makes Group A and Group B. United States, Group A, and Canada, Group B. Now we have pot B, which comprises of Mexico and a tough team, Costa Rica, which I do believe will be another challenging team when they're in Group B. One of those teams that will be cause problem in Group B. Now part 3 consists of Jamaica and Panama, and then now part 4 we have Haiti and Trinidad and Tobago. Now all these teams are tough teams at this moment. Really good teams. So I won't say that any group would be easy, but yes, I do think that on a lesser extent there are a few groups that can say that just a little bit on the lesser side of things, you can maybe per se get something over them. But now let's have a look at the draw. This here is the draw. I'm frustrated. I'm still frustrated. I'm still angry. I'm still upset. It just feels as if there's some form of plot against Jamaica, based off what I saw in the Nation League, and now I'm seeing it again in the CONCACAF championship qualifiers, women championship qualifiers. So it just feels like I'm being cheated. That's how it feels to me. I don't know how it feels to you guys. It leaves a really bad taste in the mouth. So Group A, we have United States, Mexico, Jamaica, Haiti. The moment when I saw Mexico was drawn in the group with United States, I said, obviously, they will put Jamaica in that group. Now, there could be factors, monetary factors, a lot of viewership. If you guys know, the Jamaican fan base, they're crazy over the football in Jamaica. As much as we're really crazy. And how do you know that? When you go and check out some of the videos, and say for instance a Costa Rica played against a Panama, and you look at the amount of views, like the highlights for that video, maybe like 3,000, 4,000 views. But whenever Jamaica play or Trinidad, Panama, any team, you're looking at possible 10,000, 15,000 amount of, in regards to views. So I'm telling you, the Jamaican fans are really crazy about football. I'm up hours trying to catch the little football that I can catch at certain time. But that's how it is. So I said that definitely this Jamaica will be in this group, and guess what? There will be a lot of viewership. This group in particular, a lot of eyes will be on this group. So Khadija Shah, Jody Brown, Trudy Carter. I'll be getting to you guys a little bit later in this video and give you guys the instruction what needs to be done. So Group B now. Let's have a look at Group B. Let's analyze Group A first. USA number 1, Mexico, you can say number 3, Jamaica 5 thereabout in regards to the pot ranking, and then now Haiti, in which I do think will be a problematic team. Now there's going to be a aspect of the best third place going the continental playoff. So I'm hoping that maybe we can squeeze that one. But I do think that it's going to be a difficult one. This group is a tough group. So let's have a look at the group B now. We have second place Canada, Costa Rica, Panama, Trinidad and Tobago. Pretty much not saying that it's the easiest group, but obviously it is easier than group 1. And so much of the softer teams, or maybe the lesser teams in regards to quality, are in these groups. Not saying that they're not good, but when you look at the quality in Group A versus quality in Group B, and you can evidently and clearly say that in regards to disbursement of talent and quality, definitely it was not dispersed evenly enough. So Canada do get quite a nice route, but guess what? They're still gonna face one of the tough teams when in regards to when you go into the knockout aspect of things. So in all aspect, I do think that it will be a tough one. So basically, that's it for how the group sets up. Now let's get into something I want to discuss. These are the 3 players that I do think will have to be the impact players. I already discussed them, and I'm going to show you guys them again, because I do think that these 3 players will be the players who will be the decider, the difference maker, and the influencers in the team. Khadija Shah, Trudy Carter, and Jody Brown. These guys will be the one who will take us through this rough patch. And I do think that they do have that quality to do so. Nonetheless, it's not an easy road. It's not an easy task. But I honestly believe that these 3 players, with the ability that they have, the chemistry, playing together, the understanding, I do think that they will create havoc in Group A. No, not listen, I'm not saying that, we're the best team in Group A, I'm not saying that. These 3 players will be the impact players for the Reggae Girlz. So, taking chances will be an important aspect in what we do this time around. So, that's how football is. Anyways, so I definitely won't go any further, people. Tough one to take, and I'm still upset. I was pretty much crying when I saw the fixtures, the draw. It's upsetting. It's really upsetting. But sometimes you have to fight. You have to fight really hard if you want to achieve anything you want to achieve. So I would implore the girls that they definitely have to mentally prepare themselves first and foremost before they even touch the field, because this is going to be a hectic couple of weeks from July the 4th to the 18th. That's 2 weeks. It's going to be a little bit over 2 weeks. It's going to be a hectic couple of 2 weeks for them, and I do think that once they stuck their head down and get involved, I honestly believe that they can get it over the line, a possible 3rd place. But I do think we can push for even 2nd. It's going to be tough, but not impossible. We are down, but we are definitely not out. So down in regards to confidence based off the group, but when the girls step on the field, they will be the decider. They will be the one who is going to tell us what is important in this. So until next time, people, hopefully guys are doing good. If you like this show, if you like content like this, smash that like button. It's quite difficult to do content like this, I'm telling you. That's the reason why I can't do that much content again. So I'm doing just few. So hopefully you guys hit the like button and show some level of appreciation. Until next time, Military Guna TV, people, we're out. Oh.